the spring concert. We are excited to perform and share with you some of our favorite things. We started the concert with our favorite state, Texas. As a member of the Texas Stars Youth Choir, we are excited to... One of our other very favorite things is dancing and singing.
Our next favorite thing is a story about princess and princesses. We love this story because it is by a favorite musician, Taylor Swift. Flashback stars and send them there on the balcony in summer air. I see the lights, see the party, the ball gown. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know.
That's a Texas accent right there.
It is. I can hear it.
You were throwing pebbles. Wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Is this in my head? I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, yeah. As kids, you know our favorite thing is Disney. Please enjoy this medley of our favorite Disney songs.
right there so I can see. Roman, stay there.
Most cherie mademoiselle, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, let us relax. Let us pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest, put our service to the test. Now you're knocking round your neck, cherie, and we will do the rest. Shoot to shoot, that's why we only live to serve. Try the great stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance, but they're all my sister's friends. And the dinner here is never second best. Go on and put your man, you take a glance and then you'll be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. For a good cheese souffle, pie of pudding and flambe. We'll prepare it to the flair, but never you're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared. No one's gloomy or complaining while the flowers entertain. We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks, and it's all in perfect taste and perfect manners. Go on and write your glass to find your own favorite to be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest.
You have fleas.
It's home, where the wind's from the east and the sun's from the west, and the sand in my glass is bright. Come on down, stop on by, hop on carpets and fly for another Arabian night. Arabian sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. I suppose she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Little feet. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you laugh? Let your heart decide. I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star, I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn a surprise, every rolling red leather, I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare, let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world, a whole new world. That's where we'll be, that's where we'll be. A thrilling chase, a wondrous place.